All right, little scientists, today we're going inside a cell to learn about how it functions.
How are we going to fit inside a cell?
Great question. And this machine is the answer.
That machine does not look safe.
Can we not go inside the cell?
My mom said she doesn't want me doing any more crazy experiments.
Everything is going to be fine.
Nothing in this class is ever fine.
We made it. We're inside the cell.
Wow, this is exciting.
What's this?
That's the cell membrane. It controls what enters and leaves the cell.
So it's basically security?
Whoa, what's happening?
That's the nucleus, the control center of the cell.
So that's the boss.
The nucleus contains DNA, the instructions for the cell.
Here we go again.
What happened?
Looks like the cell is losing energy. Find the mitochondria.
We're almost there.
It's not my fault it didn't want to provide energy to the cell. That's its job.
Is the powerhouse of the cell.
It looks like the power is back on.
We saved the cell.
What is all this jelly stuff we're standing in?
The cytoplasm, a jelly-like material that fills the cell.
We're standing in cell jelly?
Please don't call it that. I love jelly, especially in donuts.
These are ribosomes.
They make proteins.
Finally, a science word I understand. These cell parts sound like another language.
What's this? It looks like a maze.
The endoplasmic reticulum.
That's a long name.
This is the transportation system of the cell. It transports proteins and lipids.
This is the Golgi Apparatus. It sorts and packages materials.
Like a shipping company.
This must be the vacuole
How do you know?
because it stores water, nutrients, and waste.
All right, little scientists, that's everything. Let's head back.
Whoa, did we really just go inside a cell?
Either that, or those gummy bears we ate weren't the right kind of gummy bears.